Buongiorno, sono Anna. Sono qua per preparare il couscous alla San Vitese.
Anna lives in San Vito lo Capo in Sicily, which is famous for its fish couscous. Anna visits her local fishmonger to buy a selection of bony, flavoursome fish and prawns.
Anche due cose ci può mettere, due...
Scapi?
Sì.
Che scapi?
The selection depends on what's available.
Tutto questo pesce mischiato. Grazie.
Today, she's cooking in her granddaughter's kitchen in the countryside, as it has some lovely tiles.
Devo dire, questi sono tutti gli ingredienti che devo mettere.
Anna uses large grain semola or semolina flour to make her couscous from scratch. She adds small amounts of salted water and stirs it, always in the same direction, with her fingers.
Il couscous lo facevo la domenica quando ero libera a casa, ogni tanto.
The rough texture of her special sloping-sided terracotta bowl helps the couscous balls to form. She doesn't want large clumps. She flavours the couscous.
Metto la cipolla, prezzemolo, pepe, mandorle, un po' di sale e l'olio e l'alloro.
The use of almonds and cinnamon show the Arab roots of this dish.
La cannella credo che non la metto, è cannella. Faccio così, ecco. A posto, il tovagliolo me l'hai preso, Anna mia. Grazie.
The next step is to steam the couscous using a terracotta steamer called a couscousiera.
Questa è la nostra tipica couscousiera, cioè è un colapasta in terracotta.
The water in the bottom terracotta pot is flavoured with more cinnamon, bay leaves and pepper.
Ecco.
Ok.
Since the two bowls don't fit together tightly, the join has to be sealed with a pasta dough to ensure the steam goes through the couscous. Anna also makes little pasta rings called kuduredi, which she places on top of the grains.
Vedi, si mettono così sul couscous.
When they're cooked, so is the couscous. Children used to eat them as a treat. The couscous has to steam for around 90 minutes. Anna says it should not be covered as you don't want condensation making it soggy. While it cooks, Anna prepares her fish. She has a selection of gurnard, scorpionfish, bream, amberjack and weever fish, which have poisonous spines which must be removed.
Questo qui dà un gusto, perché è un pesce molto forte, ha un gusto forte di mare.
Ecco, ecco.
I don't think you should be in here.
Ecco.
To make the fish stock, Anna softens an onion and 2 cloves of garlic in olive oil. She adds some black pepper and parsley, followed by a large dollop of tomato concentrate and a pinch of peperoncino. She adds water to make a sauce. Then Anna sprinkles in a pinch of salt and the rest of the cinnamon. The fish have to cook for around 45 minutes, by which time a delicious broth has been created.
Perfette. Però io cucino sempre io. Sì, sì, va bene.
This has to be sieved to remove any bones. The couscous needs to be tasted regularly towards the end of cooking. Anna has been making this dish since she was 10 years old. There's time to take a break.
Chi la racconta?
Anna and Piera crack open the pasta seal and put the couscous into a wide bowl.
A posto. Ok, a posto. Sì, se lo metto qua. È cotta. Sono buonissimi.
Anna ladles enough stock over it to dampen it. Granddaughter Anna checks the seasoning.
Sono buone.
È buono.
The couscous now has to rest for another 90 minutes, wrapped in a blanket to keep warm. To serve, Anna adds chopped almonds to the couscous and places the fish on top.
E poi mettiamo il pesce.
You can add more fish broth if you like your couscous soupy.
Il couscous è pronto per mangiarlo.
The fish are a fiddle to eat, but taste delicious. Buon appetito!
Grazie.
Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.
Buonissimo.